University of Chicago Law School got a lot of press recently because the news reports indicated that they're banning all technology basically for first year law students. Basically, the thrust of their AI strategy statement is we need to teach these young lawyers how to learn and how to research and how to write on their own. And then they can go out and do the internships and do other things in order to enhance their abilities and to become more complete lawyers, which is not an unreasonable expectation. How do you set yourself up as a young lawyer to be an asset to your firm and to provide quality services without just doing shortcuts and then going to essentially have atrophy of your brain because you can't think for yourself?
One interesting piece that they focused on, which I really liked, was the parts of our job that they feel, and I agree with, will remain inherently human, that being oral advocacy, strategic judgment, and client relationships. And of course, we can use AI behind all of those things. But at the end of the day, at least for now, we all have to get up and make oral arguments. And if you just use AI to prepare your whole outline and you just parrot what it says, I don't think your argument is going to be as effective as someone who's a true advocate for their client and understands the nuances that go into things, how to read the judge, how to read the jury throughout the argument or whatever they're doing. Same thing, strategic judgment. Most of what we do is knowing what not to do, knowing when not to ask a question. And you get the outline prepared by AI and you just read the questions without thinking about it, which I think a lot of people are starting to do. That's problematic. And then lastly, obviously, client relationships. I think, you've got to be that person that fits with your personality, that lives in your own skin, that takes years to figure out how to get clients. I think we've all tried other approaches that didn't work for us throughout our career in trying to get business. And unless you know how to do that on your own and learn the hard way of just trying to do it and failing and then failing again, it becomes hard.
So those are all valid concerns that the law schools are now flagging. And there is a lot of outrage, but at the same time, I think the goal of creating more complete lawyers who are better prepared to function in our profession is a good one.